Hello everyone. Today's topic is trade and commerce of Egyptian civilization. Okay. Trade has always brought huge sums as revenue or tax to a particular civilization. The Egyptian exported linen, wheat, ornaments and furniture. They imported gold, ivory and copper. The Egyptians carried out both inland and foreign trades. Trade was controlled by the pharaoh. Trade was in the form of barter system. Barter system means system of exchange of goods and services for other goods and services without using money. The Egyptian exported linen, wheat, ornaments and furniture. Food was the prime prerequisite for slaves. The traders brought cheap food items from the neighboring localities to feed the slaves. Now the writing, this time was writing, Egyptian writing was considered sacred because this was generally used for religious purpose. The Egyptians developed a form of writing called hieroglyphic. Hieroglyphic. Okay, this is a term which is used or developed. This is a form of writing. Okay. The Egyptian developed a form of writing. This is called hieroglyphic. It is a Greek word meaning sacred carving. The Egyptian first used hieroglyphic only for inscriptions which they carved or painted on temple walls. In the beginning, they used picture writing. Each picture stood for a separate word. About 2000 picture signs have been found on ancient pyramids and temples. They wrote on paper made from papyrus. It is a type of papyrus. It is a papyrus. Papyrus. It is a kind of paper developed by the China. They wrote from right to left. The ink they used for writing was made with water thickened with gum and colored soot, vegetable and mineral dyes. The Egyptian writing can be found on the pyramids, tombs, walls and clay tablets. Fine. So these are the points about the trade and commerce and writing of Egyptian civilization. Now next topic is the science and astronomy. Now science. In science, firstly mathematics. Egyptian calculated numbers based on decimal and repetitive numerals. They knew about fractions. They also had some basic knowledge of geometry. They used knowledge for the construction of gigantic pyramids. In medicine, the doctors of ancient Egypt combined magic spells with remedies. Both priests and doctors were called upon to heal the sick. Mummies were prepared thousands of years ago and yet they are well preserved today. Did you know, children? The Egyptians believed in life after death, so they preserved dead bodies with the help of mixture of herbs and spices, which shows their advanced knowledge of medicine and human body. Now astronomy. The Egyptian studies the movement of heavenly bodies to predict the natural phenomena. Okay, phenomenon. The river Nile flooded every year at the same time when star Ceres rose before the sun. This event was marked as first day of the calendar year. First day of the calendar year. The Egyptian calendar had 365 days and 12 months. 365 days and 12 months. With 30 days in each month and 5 feast days at the end of each year. Various tools were used while planning a design or placement of a pyramid or temple. One of these tools were called the marquette. Okay, marquette, which means indicator. Marquette means indicator. This tool is called marquette. Fine. Marquette was a small wooden plank with a hole at the one end and one end. Ancient astronomer would look through the hole and angle the device until their target star was aligned accurately. Okay. This is the picture of marquette. It indicates the actual place or location of stars. Marquette was an astronomical instrument used by Egyptians the same way as a telescope is used today. Okay. Now the decline of Egyptian civilization. Next topic, the decline of Egyptian civilization. Every civilization left a rich legacy for the coming generation. In Egyptian civilization, mummies, pyramids, solar calendar and temples. The rich culture of Egypt lasted for a long period. Internal revolts and other foreign invasions also weakened the empire and destroyed whatever remained of an ancient civilization. So these all are about the Egyptian civilization, trade, commerce, astronomy, science, and now finally the decline of Egyptian civilization. Thank you, class.